So again, good morning to everyone again. Yes, good morning. So we are going to start our today's networking and cybersecurity workshop. In this workshop, we will let you know about networking jobs oriented programs, as well as our what is cybersecurity and what are the software used to start a career in networking field. Like many students are asking questions like starting in the workshop when I enable them into waiting room to this room. So they are asking, sir, like how to start career in networking. One student asked about like, sir, how we can like shift it from networking to security. So one by one, we will definitely answers about the workshop. And definitely I will try to complete my session within the given time period. And after that, if any person like miss this workshop, then the video of this workshop will be available on A2IT app. Okay, so my name is Rajiv Kumar. I'm working as an IT head manager in A2IT Private Limited. I have 7-year experience in this field and I'm CCNA certified, CCNP certified in enterprises department and Microsoft server certified and ethical hacking certified. Okay, so first of all, the student asked question one by one. I just want to let you know about what is a network actually. So I'm going to share the screen. What is the network actually? Actually, network is when two or more than two devices are connected with each other via some shared media to control the information or share the information. So in network, we have so many fields like routing and switching. And after that, security, collaboration. And after that, you can go for cloud part also. And security is divided into two parts, network security and cyber security. Yes, definitely we will take our next workshop on lab. Okay, so there was a little bit disturbance, sorry for that. So we have discussed about like routing and switching, security, collaboration and cloud. Actually, network has so many. Network is the biggest part. So security is divided into two parts, like network security and cyber security. Okay. Definitely we will discuss about it. I think please mute yourself if you have any question. Definitely I will answer your question. Okay. Okay, sorry for that. Actually, there is a problem about the timing issues, maybe another issues. Okay, so discuss about the student asked the question about what is a network. So network is just our like two systems are connected with each other. So this is called network. But after network, we need to know about the field of network, like how we can get money with this networking training, how we can get jobs in networking field. So we need to know about so many things. So students are asking again and again which simulator is used in like CCNA. So in CCNA, first of all, if you are going to start your career, then you have to use Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is the Cisco Packet Tracer software. The Cisco Packet Tracer software is used for routing, switching, security, data center, collaborations, and so many other things. In Cisco Packet Tracer, you will get the access of routers and switches. And actually, we have real routers and switches. Within the workshop, I will show you real routers and switches. We have data center rack here. So after virtual screen end, I will let you know about it. So yes, Kumar, definitely I will let you know about hacking also. Okay, first of all, just with the given examples of networking, I will show you. So Cisco Packet Tracer is just for basic networking. Like some people feel that, sir, in advanced level, how to do work in this. So after starting your career with Cisco Packet Tracer, with like networking, what you will learn in this, okay? You will learn, sir, IP address, you will learn router, switches, and after that security and so many things in Cisco Packet Tracer. But if you want to go for like higher part, then you can go for GNS3. Like these are the open software, you can download it from GNS3 website. In GNS3, you will get software about Wiresharks, like you want to go for hacking part or security part. So definitely you need to know about, basically you need to know about how to like capture the information and packets. Okay. And this workshop is, okay, workshop timing you are asking? Fayaz Ahmed. Okay. Yes, this workshop is basically on Zoom. So we have a limited time of periods, 40 minutes. But after that on A2IT app, we will start workshop and we will provide one free, another practical workshop to another students, because many students are not able to join the workshop today due to iPhone app, because yesterday our iOS app is there. So definitely we will start again about it. Okay. So another part is GNS3. In GNS3, you will get knowledge about Wireshark. This is network protocol analyzer. Okay. So we will do the practicals also. Okay. But questions are so many here. So I'm going to start answering about the question. So the first question students ask about how to start career in networking. Okay. Yes, Priyanshu, I'm going to cover your question. Career in network, sir, you have to just start with network fundamentals, because network fundamental is the stepstone to CCNA, CCNP and ethical hacking. Because for example, your question is you want to become ethical hacker. So for ethical hacker, first of all, you need network fundamentals. After that, you need basic knowledge of CCNA. CCNA means you need to know about the network design, IP address, how to establish LAN network with switch, and after that router, and then security. So if you want to start your career in hacking part, then start your career with CEH. This is the basic module to learn hacking, certified ethical hacker. So for certified ethical hacker, you need to know about these basic things. Okay, how to do hacking? Yes. Okay, if you want to go for hacking part, sir, hacking is a process of like stealing information, but like from any authorized PC. And hacking is unauthorized access from outsider in our inner network. But ethical word means ethics. Ethics means security. So you will work like a security researcher, not ethical hacker. Like not hacker, sorry, security researcher. Yes, definitely I will let you know about it. Definitely I will let you know about time. Yes, CEH 11. Yes, Rabul has already done with CEH version 10 and 11. Yes. Yes, Nakul, you will get certificate about this workshop. Yes, that will be on our A2IT app and they will be provided. Yes, there will be workshop of, there will be certificate of this workshop that will be available on A2IT app after this. Okay, come back to the technical question again. The another question is from the student. Yes, definitely, Praveenji. Learning networking and hacking is good in career, because you know that day by day there are so many cyber attacks in our network design. Because if we talk about, okay, actually you are saying, oh, you can type your message in your chat box. You can type your message in chat box. Actually, I'm not able to listen to you. Maybe there will be internet problem in your side. Yes, come to the point again. There are so many cyber attacks here. Before 10 years, the work was like you have to go to hardware part in networking only. Like you will learn only these parts like Cisco packet tracer, learn routers and switches and everything. But nowadays you have to move on to coding part also. So in ethical hacking, you need to learn about basic coding. Like if you know about HTML, Python, CSS or JavaScript, basics. I'm not talking about you need to be expert in that. You can go for CEH11. Okay, what are the modules? Modules are already available on internet. Like first of all, we need to know about introduction to ethical hacking. What is ethical hacking? How to scan our network? What is scanning? What is enumeration? After that, what is system hacking? What is mobile hacking? Mobile hacking, server hacking, how to do server hacking. These all are the part of this workshop. Yes, definitely. I will let you know about the jobs also. Yes, Aman. Aman, you need to install A2IT app. I will send the link. Otherwise, definitely you can go for www.a2itsoft.com. Otherwise, simple a2itsoft.com/free app. This is the link. In this link, you will get some study material. Get it on Google Play. Click. If you are iPhone user, then the app will be the name of my institute. After you will access this, it will becomes A2IT with A2IT logo. And for Android user, you can get it on Google Play. I'm sending in your workshop. Yes. Oh, sorry. This is in workshop. This one. You will get workshop after the completion of workshop. In WhatsApp group. You can send message to the authorities or you can chat in A2IT app. Okay. Yes, we have some free courses. You have to go to A2IT online. So if you want to go for basic free course, you can go for a2itonline.com because a2itsoft.com is private limited company for the offline users. In this, you will get courses. Like if you will get courses, there are some paid courses, there are some free courses also. So you can just go for free courses. You will get free courses also. Here are IT software and free courses. So click on free courses. You will get so many free courses here, like manual testing, basic networking. We have already 104 students are there, machine learning and another software. So these are the another part. So again, I'm going back to the topics about the answers of questions. Yes, Aman, you can join for the workshop also. Okay, so another question is what is subnetting? Okay, subnetting is the process after IP addressing. So one student asked question about IP addressing. So one by one, I will answer all the questions. And for example, if I miss any question, like due to the time frame of the workshop, you just send your question in my chat box. I will definitely upload with one YouTube video to our A2IT channel and your answer will be there. So I'm getting so many questions within direct message also. Sir, IP address is your unique address. IP address is internet protocol address. Like my name is Rajiv, somebody person name is Mayank and name is Pooja, Rohini, Rabul. So we have some identity. If I have my, like for example, roll number in our college. So this is your identity. Okay. So IP address is same as for your PC. So yes, IP addressing is common for ethical hacking and networking. Definitely, you are right. So this is 32-bit address, but INA established this address in decimal form because we are not able to get 010101 32-bit. Okay. So decimal address, it is a range of 0 to 255. Like you have seen so many IP address like 192.168.1.1, 1.2, 1.3. This is the format of IP address. So understand the concept. This is just a, identity of any PC. And you are asking about subnetting question. Yes, definitely. I am giving only technical answers in this workshop. After that, if you are any question pending, you can message in chat box. I will send you question in A2IT app. Otherwise, I will make one video about it, and I will definitely let you know about the jobs. Subnetting is like we have A class, B class, C class in our IP address. The person, they know about ABC class. This is, yes, this is the basics. Okay, so A class, B class and C class have different subnet masks. Now subnet mask is used to divide network ID and host ID. So in A class, we have 8-bit of network, 255 in binary means. This is technical. If some people they are very fresher, don't worry about it. I will let you explain about it. Okay, so these are the bits. So in A class, 8-bit of network, but 24 bits of host. Okay, so in A class, 8-bit of network, 24-bit host. In B class, 16 and 16. Yes, in C class, 24 and 8. What are this? These are the bits, are 1 and 0. So in C class, we have IP address 2 raised to power 8. In B class, we have IP address 2 raised to power 16 and C class 2 raised to power 24. Yes, I'm coming to the point. So in A class, we have 16 million IP address in one class. In B class, 2 raised to power 16 means 65,535 IP addresses. And in C class, we have only 256 IP address. What is the meaning of LAN and WAN? In LAN, we are using same network ID. In WAN, we are using different network ID. So when we need 300 IP, for example, we need 300 IP. So I'm not able to get IP address from C class. So I have to move on to B class, but I need only 300 IP. Okay, so my 65235 IPs are going to waste. So to avoid that wastage, to avoid the wastage of IP address, we need subnetting. Okay, understand the concept. We need subnetting to avoid the wastage of IP address. Okay, Muthu Prakash, definitely I will provide you the notes and study material. We have so many free study material on our A2IT app. Okay, yes. Yes, Nakul, I'm going to give you answer. Different communication fields are in networking. I already told you about routing switching. You have to start your career about routing switching. After that, you can go for security or cloud. Now, one question, I don't want to miss this question because so many students ask the question about jobs. Okay. Jobs after networking. Okay, let me very clearly explain. I want to clear you. After just CCNA course, you can go for network support engineer. You want to provide the support about routers and switches. You can go for IT executive. Just after 30 days of course, you can go for IT executive. We are providing online and offline courses. Okay, so you will get your courses after on A2IT app. Definitely, I will let you explain about it. I will send WhatsApp message in WhatsApp group. Okay, so the students, they have joined the workshop. Definitely, I will provide them the workshop's certificate. So don't worry about certificate. I think we have to talk about these jobs also. Okay. After network support engineer and IT executive, we have network engineer department and IT administrator. Yes, but for IT administrator, you need basic server knowledge also. So this is just after CCNA. So after CCNA, you will get these jobs. And you were talking about ethical hacking jobs. After ethical hacking, After ethical hacking, we can get security researcher job. Yes. One student asked very funny question, sir. After learning hacking, can we hack Google or Facebook? Sir, yes, you can hack Google, but we need to I just want to explain one thing in ethical hacking. There are two types of hacker. Otherwise, I have 8 types of hackers, but basically we need 3 hackers. But most of the time we learn about white hacker and black hacker, because one is the another type, gray hacker. I'm working as a gray hacker. Yes, my student is Rabul here. Rabul is also working as a gray hacker. Okay, gray hacker means like you are doing authorized and unauthorized, both the parts. Okay, like for your purpose. But actually after ethical hacking course, you have to become ethical hacker, white hacker. Okay, how we can get money? Yes, definitely. Sir, we have so many bounty programs. Bounty programs means like bounty programs like you need to troubleshoot the error. After ethical hacker, you can go for bounty programs. Security researcher means you can get job in company and you have to like work on the flaws and loopholes on the company security. So you will work as a security researcher, but your certification belongs to ethical hacking. Yes, we have so many sites. I think you have not visited hackerone.com. Okay, I'm going for one website, hackerone.com. Go for this site if you just want to learn about the bounty. Okay, in HackerOne, we have a Hacktivity tab here. Yes, actually at the Zoom period, we have only 40 minutes. So 15 minutes left. So definitely I will try to answer and I will try to let you know about the workshop certificate. So Hacktivity is like this. On Hacktivity, you can type like, you can check disclose 6 days ago. So this is your GitLab. Some students solve the issues about GitLab and GitLab provides them $20,000. Yes. So one student bounty awarded 15 hours ago. Like Spotify, you know about Spotify, $500 provided by Spotify to today's new, and Uber provide bounty, but they have not write the like money here. So you can get these information after CEH and another courses also. Yes. Sachin Devji, these courses, actually today's workshop is based on networking. Yes, if you are looking for mechanical engineering, then we have another workshop like AutoCAD and another thing. Okay, if I will get some time, otherwise I will let you explain about mechanical, but you can directly talk to our company representative, or you can visit to our a2itsoft.com and just put inquiry. Our mechanical engineer, www.a2itsoft.com, contact us and put your inquiry on there. They will let you know about AutoCAD also. AutoCAD, Rabbit, and there are so many. Kumar, yes, we have free internship, but within this COVID time, we don't have any internship program because we are also providing the online study material to students. Yes. Yeah, it is available on Play Store. You can get our A2IT app on Play Store. Okay, yes, I'm coming to the point. Yes, so these are the jobs after CCNA and ethical hacking. CCNP is just a professional level. Like you want to go for one specific field, enterprise field, security fields, collaboration field. So go for CCNPs like you want to become professional. Yes, CCNA and ethical hacking you can do. Fee structure will let ma'am explain. You can direct inquiry on that. Otherwise, fee structure of CCNA is like we have so many basic courses. Like actually, I'm not allowed to let you know about fee structure. Fee structure tell by ma'am only. They will send you message in your WhatsApp group, and fee structure will be there definitely. Sir, average salary. Praveen ji, the great question. What is the salary after average salary? Sir, the average salary is for fresher is 19,000 to 25. Average. I'm talking about average. But if I'm talking about our region, like in Mohali or Chandigarh area, and you are simply graduate and you have done only CCNA, then at fresher offline off campus you will get 10 to 15,000 only, because due to corona the salaries are little bit less. COVID situation, we know that with the COVID situation we are facing so many problems and companies are going downfall. So that's why 10 to 15,000 is the fresher salary, but average salary is 25K. But if you have knowledge about CCN and CCNP and you are 1 year experience, definitely you will get like good package about 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs. Yes, sir, salary is based on the location, like minimum salary in Bangalore. Minimum salary in Bangalore for CCNA is, my student was there, 23,000. But in Chandigarh and Mohali for CCNA salary is only 15,000. So if you will get CCNA training of 30 days, definitely you will get 10 to 15,000 for just 2-3 months. After that, you will get incremented. In Chandigarh, we have so many companies. We have good companies like Zscalers. We have IT by Design company here. In Concentrix, we have IT sports jobs. Yes, we are providing jobs to our students also. We are providing jobs to our students also, and they are getting good salary this time. The students who are placed in 2020 up to March 2020, some of the students are taking good package like 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs after they were just like a fresher. Okay, GNS, yes, come to the point. So this is the software of GNS. In GNS, we have routers and switches like Cisco Packet Tracer. Yes, working is totally same. Just we have another like we have some commands that are done only on original routers and switches. Yes, okay. So one student wants to see the original routers and switches. Okay, definitely, sir. I will let you know about it. So I'm just changing my view here, and virtual screen I am going to remove. Yes, sir. Definitely, you are going to get workshop certificate. I will definitely explain. And YouTube channel, I will let you know. Okay. Sir, I will explain you about it. I'm sending the link of YouTube channel if you want to go for free CCNA. Yes. Actually, I'm day by day, I'm explaining about it. Yes, I'm going to share. Your question is very good. Otherwise, I will forget this. This is our Facebook, YouTube page, A2IT Online, and daily we are going to send videos about networking, core Javas, and another things. If you wanna basically need about CCNA course, you can come to our YouTube channel, and we have online CCNA batches are there. Yes, we are providing Java, digital marketing, CCNA, mechanical, AutoCAD training. We have international and national students also. I have so many. I will upload my workshop on YouTube channel also. Okay. Yes, A2IT Online. Yes, A2IT Online. Otherwise, I'm sending the link in your group. Yes, Vignesh, we are providing data science training also. Okay. We are providing artificial intelligence, Python, data science, so many training. You can go for our website, A2IT Online and A2ITsoft.com. And okay, one student wants to know about the real routers and switches. So I'm removing my virtual background, A2IT. So this is my lab. In this, you will check. These are the routers and switches. This is sir PoE switch, layer 3 switch. This is the layer 2 switch and another switch. These are the minimum routers and switches are there. In my lab, A2IT lab, I have like 10 to 15 routers and 10 to 15 switches are there. We have rack system also, but I'm giving my workshop in my within this room, and labs are just closed due to COVID. But yes, definitely we will open it. Yes, there are layer 2 and layer 3 switches also. Yes. This is a 3825 switch router, and this is basically used for CCIE and CCNP operations. Yes, we are providing classroom training also, but this time we are providing only online training, because we have students from another states also. Yes, definitely you will get certificate after this workshop. Don't worry about it. Just send your message in A2IT app for your workshop. Otherwise, you can go for A2IT inquiry form. They will provide you workshop certificate also. Yes. Any other question? Because we have less time right now. I'm really thankful to all the students who have joined workshop. Actually, 100 students want to join. Mayank, definitely we will send the workshop link also in your WhatsApp group, A2IT WhatsApp group, network workshop. Yes, I got your attendance from here, so no worry about it. Yes, definitely. Thank you. Nice to talk with you also. Actually, we had the less time. Next time we are going to provide the practical workshop about exact practical workshop only on ethical hacking. Like what is ethical hacking? Today we have to discuss about the question and answer, and I just set the students like we have how many students are come here. Vignesh, ma'am will definitely call you after this workshop. Otherwise, you can provide your inquiry on a2itsoft.com or a2itonline.com. You can send your query and you will get your certificate. You have already filled the form, I think. Yes, everybody will get the workshop certificate. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Due to less time, I was unable to answer all the questions, but it was a very nice experience with you guys. So next time we will arrange new workshop for you. Yes, you will get certificate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.